For the perfect burger you need 350 grams of minced beef, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of milk, half clove of garlic, half onion or less, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper. Remember that we want to taste the meat, so all the other ingredients should not cover the taste of the meat. So please be careful not to exaggerate. So now we put the egg and the milk and we go and scratch the other ingredients. Okay, now with the hand little bit wet with the water, we make 2 balls and after we will smash them. If you want you can make 3 hamburgers, but I will make only 2 because I want to feel that. I want to test the meat. Okay, now we should cook our burger and after dressing what the thing that you like. I will use the homemade bacon, the homemade goat cheese and my homemade buns. So first of all you should prepare the buns. If you have the toaster you put in the toaster. If you make the barbecue on the barbecue, keep attention not to burn it. If not, like me, you put the pot on the stove and put the bread. When the bread is toasted, you remove it. After the bread, we put the bacon. When the bacon is crispy, we remove the bacon and we put the hamburger. When the hamburger is cooked from one side, more or less 2 minutes, and you turn the hamburger, you can put 1 or 2 slices of cheese. And after you put a mayonnaise, a ketchup, a salad, the burger, the bacon that is already cooked, the cheese that is already on the hamburger and the tomato. And after you can enjoy your hamburger. Mamma mia.